this video I will show you how to turn off the quiet mode on Instagram. So if you are not receiving the Instagram notifications, so maybe the quiet mode is turned on. So what quiet mode does, actually it actually quiets the notification for a certain time, like you don't receive Instagram notifications in that specific time. So how you can actually turn that off? What you're gonna do, you have to click onto the bottom right side of the screen on your profile image here, and then you will click onto the top three lines. Then you will click on settings, and then you will click on notifications, and here you can see it's quiet mode. So you will click on this one and make sure that this option, toggle option, is not turned on like this. If it is turned on, you have to actually turn this off. So that's how you can actually turn off the quiet mode. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.